Okay, we're going to go over the control panel area on our J-series machines. There is a control area here and some other buttons on the face of the machine. Here we have the main on-off switch. Let's see if I turn this on. Everything enables. We have the emergency stop. Now if we depress this, it will kill all power to the laser. Then to re-enable it, simply twist and it'll pop up. For the control of our LED lights, this is a dimmer switch. So if you turn all the way to the left, you'll hear a click and that turns off the lights. All the way to the right is full illumination. Here we have our cut high pressure engrave air, or high pressure gauge for air pressure. And then we have the adjustment knob. To adjust the adjustment knob, you simply pull out, spin clockwise to raise pressure, counterclockwise to reduce pressure, and then pop down to lock it back in place. Here we have our main power on light and our laser enabled light. For the Ruida controller, there are basic functions on this. This is to manually fire the laser. This is to change your jog speed or speed on the fly of the job. The reverse circular arrow, orange, is to rehome the machine. The square with the back arrow in red color is to escape. Green check mark is for enter or select. Purple paper icon is to access your files. Up and down arrow is to jog the y-axis forwards or backwards. Left and right arrow is to jog the x-axis right to left. Your center purple target is to select your origin. The blue gear icon is to access your settings menu. The blue rectangle icon is to frame, and your green play pause button to play or pause the job. To lift or lower your z-axis, you're going to select your blue gear icon for your settings menu, and then you'll see at the top here you have Z move. To raise or lower your z-axis, you either select left or right. Right is to lower the bed, left is to raise the bed. To escape this menu, you simply press the red back button and you're back to your home menu. Now you can see we go back into the settings menu. You have various other settings that are rarely used in day-to-day operations. To access your files, you're going to select the purple paper icon. You can see we have one file in here right now and they are all populating. This is to access files that are stored in the laser or with a USB drive stick in the laser auxiliary. We're going to escape this. To change your speed, it brings up a speed menu, and this can go up or down. Now, right now we have three numbers. We're at 110 millimeters a second. You just use the left and right to jog back which digit you want to change, and then use up or down to, once again, change the number. Then you just escape here. Now, if you want to change your power on the fly or to do manual testing, you select your gear icon. You will go down to power setting plus, press enter, max power, and then right now we're at 20%. Don't worry about max power 2. This laser only uses one tube, so you're only worrying about max power 1. You can change this power same way as the speed by selecting left to right which digit you want to change, and then up or down to change that digit. And that's it for the Ruida keypad controller. Here you can see we have our red dot pointer button. This will enable the two red focusing dots. Illuminated is on, not illuminated is off. This is engrave air pressure. Engrave air pressure is completely manual, and if air is being supplied to the machine, this can supply air with the laser on or off. U-disc is if you want to install an auxiliary USB drive to access your files like we showed earlier.